let's discuss the fun topic of intake, because this is an area that I believe a lot of law firms fall and they don't realize they're hemorrhaging money. They're losing money. And this is of all levels of law firm. I'm not just speaking to the single shingle, small law firms of, 1-2 attorneys. I'm talking even to the 70 attorney, hundreds of employees, and they might even have 24-hour intake. I have seen in 18 years of doing this in advertising, those same law firms consistently, small, medium, large, do better when they outsource their intake. Here's why. You have trained, empathetic, sales-focused individuals in intake centers. Not all intake centers are good. Not all intake centers are built equally, but let's say there's a good one. A good intake center staffed 24/7 will, on average, outperform to a higher level of value as well. So not just talking about outperform by number of signed contracts. I'm talking about, no, they will actually reach more people than you can. They will sign up more people than you can, and they will make you more money than their actual investment from your pocket would be in general. So I always encourage law firms to use outsourced intake, and I'm happy to recommend companies, not in this video, but recommend companies in general. There are so many amazing law firms who do tremendous work, fantastic legal acumen. I mean, I would hire them myself for people I love, my mother, whatever. If anyone in my family needed a lawyer, I would hire these same lawyers. However, I do know that if I was handled by an intake center, as opposed to a good intake center, as opposed to actually calling them directly, I would have faster responses, more thorough intake, more empathetic a lot of times, and I would be signed up in a more efficient manner. So happy to discuss a lot further in a separate video. Wanted to make sure that, started the conversation about what you think about intake. Do you think your law firm is perfectly good at it? Do you have a polar opposite viewpoint than I do? I really feel a strong intake company will outperform any law firm out there, and I challenge you. Take care.